Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Celestial Crypto channel. This is Don, your astronaut, reporting from space, the final frontier. Today, a few things going on in the crypto and financial markets. The Bureau of Labor Statistics payroll report data is out. New York passing a bill to ban mining in that state, and also the New York Attorney General issuing warning against crypto investments. And we also have Japan passing stablecoin bills to protect their investors. But first, if you haven't already, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you like, hit that bell notification. That will help me greatly and will help me continue producing these kind of contents. So let's go ahead and take a look at the financial markets today. Dow ends today 350 points lower as stock skids to a weekly loss. So let's go ahead and see how many points it's down. From closing, looks like we are down about 350 points or 1%, and the S&P is also down about 1.63% or 68 points. And it looks like the reason is because even though we got strong May job report, which I will discuss after this, many investors are still rattled, and they're nervous about the Federal Reserve's planned pace of aggressive interest rates hike. All right, let's look at the first piece of news. Looks like U.S. job growth tops expectation in May with 390,000 jobs added last month. So this is according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which is pretty much a modest slowdown from April's 436,000 gain, but beating a lot of economists' expectations of 325,000 for the month of May. The unemployment rate remains at 3.6% for the third consecutive month, which is a tick higher than expectations for a decline of 3.5. Remember, the pandemic high in April 2020 was 14.8%. May's job growth was still strong, given the green light for the Federal Open Markets Committee to continue raising interest rates by at least 15 basis points at each of the next 2 or 3 meetings. So crypto prices, meanwhile, remain under pressure as data suggests the Federal Reserve will need to continue to tighten monetary policy, putting a damper on appetite risk assets. So that is pretty much the job report for the month of May. Now let's go ahead and move on to some crypto news here. Let's look at where Bitcoin is at. Okay, so as you can see, let's go ahead and look at the crypto market now. It looks like Bitcoin is at $29,653, which is down 2.2% today, pretty much wiping all of the gains for this week. As you look at the chart here, this is the past 24 hours. It was doing good early Friday, but then it just took a dive here as the day continued. If you expand out to 7 day, back last Friday we were around 28,646, and now today we're around 29,607. So it looks like the price action is going down and is looking bearish again, and is going down to where it was last week. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum now. Ethereum is also down $1,760.93 per coin, which is 3.6% down. And as you can see here, same thing. All of the gains for the week was pretty much wiped out. And if you look out on the 7-day, Friday, it was around 17:32:30, and now today around 1:40 p.m. Pacific time is at 17:53. So all the gains for this week pretty much got wiped out. And that's probably same thing. Everything's probably still correlated to the fear and uncertainty and all the rumors of the Federal Reserve hikes. So we shall see. But Ethereum, Bitcoin, both down today. And if you look at the market cap, we are down 2% to 1.2 trillion for cryptocurrency market cap. All right, let's look at some key piece of crypto news that came out today. Looks like New York State lawmakers on Friday passed a bill that will halt certain cryptocurrency mining operations for 2 years to address environmental concern. Looks like the state Senate, in a 36-27 vote, approved a 2-year moratorium targeting proof-of-work carbon-based project. But still, Bitcoin mining has been growing in New York, particularly upstate, as power or Bitcoin mining has been more affordable. But it just needs one signature, which is the governor of New York, Kathy Hochul, will pretty much decide the fate of this Bitcoin mining bill. If she signs it, it will go into law, which most likely they will. It's been pretty much a topic that the state has been discussing. And if she does sign it, it will pretty much make New York the first state in the U.S. to curtail the country's new global dominance in Bitcoin mining. However, the Blockchain Association called the bill misguided. So what do you guys think? Do you think this is a good bill to pass? Or does it really matter and everyone's just going to mine in other states like Texas where there's cheaper renewable energy? Comment below. Next piece of news, again, New York AG warns against crypto investment amid state's push to ban mining. Pretty much the New York Attorney General Letitia James said that investors are losing billions in crypto, and she highlights that even digital assets that are well known and traded in reputable exchanges can crash. Because of this, the Attorney General is convinced that crypto investment creates more pain than gain for investors. So, apart from this, James urged New Yorkers to take extra caution when putting their money into crypto due to its volatility. So, what do you guys think? I mean, crypto is volatile, but we've seen stocks crash as well. Not as often as crypto, but yeah, what do you guys think? Comment below. And another piece of news, last piece of news that's interesting. Japan passes stablecoin bill aimed at protecting crypto investors. So this is a pretty big step, and I think U.S. might do something similar in the future, but pretty much Japan passed a stablecoin bill aimed at protecting crypto investors. With this new law, they would pretty much create a regulatory framework for stablecoins, defining them as digital money. And under the new legislation, which will come effect in the next year of 2023, stablecoins must be linked to the yen or another legal tender and guarantee holders the rights to redeem them at face value. The bill also says that stablecoins can only be issued by licensed banks, registered money transfer agents, and trust companies with the FSA reporting the regulations governing stablecoins issuers are to be introduced in the coming month. So, what do you guys think of this bill? I think it's something that the U.S. is working towards, especially Janet mentioning this a few times. The bill seems pretty good, but what do you guys think? You think the U.S. should adopt a bill similar to this, or do you think we should go about it another way? Leave your comments below. And that's pretty much it, everyone, for today's Crypto Byte. Like always, thank you for watching, and hope you guys have a good weekend. And I will produce another video on Monday on any news and little bites that may be as interest as crypto is to me. And like always, thank you for watching, guys. Be safe out there and enjoy your weekend.